Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see the increasing and decreasing functions and a piecewise defined function, how to solve this type of problems. So increasing and decreasing functions, so actually what is it? A function f is increasing on an interval if for any x1 and x2 in the interval, x1 is less than x2 implies that is f of x1 is less than f of x2. And when a function f is decreasing on an interval if for any x1 and x2 in the interval, x1 is less than x2, implies f of x1 is greater than f of x2. And here also we can see one more, that is the function f is whenever it is constant on an interval f, if for any x1 and x2 in the interval, that is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So now let us see this with the help of a graph. Use the graph to describe the increasing or decreasing behavior actually with the of each function. So now actually this is a graph. So now what you can see, how is it? You can see here this function is increasing over the entire length. So now here, can you see here? It increases, then decreases, and again it increases. So what we can say, this function is increasing from where? See here, whenever we go, this is the domain, and the range will be, we go from bottom to the top, that is from down to up. So now this is minus infinity to infinity. So how is it going on? It starts from this minus infinity, then it goes, it is increasing to -1, and then what happened? It decreases. How it decreases? This is from -1 to 1. It is decreasing, and then again it is increasing from where? From 1. This is from 1, and this goes on the infinity. So because this is minus infinity here and this is infinity, so from -1 to minus infinity to -1, that is increasing. Then from -1 to 1 it is decreasing, and again from 1 to infinity it is increasing. So now let us see the next one. So here it is it's the increasing, then it is constant, and then it is decreasing. So here it's given here f of t is t plus 1 and t is less than 0, and here 1 f of t, this is 1, and 0 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 2, and here minus t plus 3 when it is this, when t is greater than 2. So here what is happening, what we can say here, this is minus infinity, means it is increasing from minus infinity to here 0. Then what happens here, from constant from 0 to 2, and then it is again decreasing, that is 2 to here infinity. So hope this is clear. These are the graphs, and we have to explain with the help of graph how is it so here it shows the increasing, the constant, and the decreasing part. So hope this is clear to you. So this is the explanation given. This function is increasing on the interval minus infinity to 0, then constant on the interval 0 to 2, and decreasing on the interval 2 to infinity. This is the same explanation what I gave you. So now let us see a piecewise defined function. Many of them have a confusion here, how to find out the. So evaluate the function when here x is -1, 0, and 1. So at this 3 values. Now f of x is given, that is x square plus 1 when x is less than 0 and x minus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 0. So how to find out the when it is x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 means it is less than 0. So which one are you going to use? Are you going to use this one or this one? So where is less than 0? Less than 0 is here because it says less than 0 here. So you are going to use this function. So now here we'll write here f of x is x square plus 1. So to find out here for the first part, that is x is equal to minus 1. So wherever you see x, we are going to write here minus 1. So in this one, what will you do? Minus 1 square plus 1. So this is going to be 1. 1 plus 1, that is going to be 2. So f of this minus 1, the value this will be 2. Now let us see for 0. So where is 0? 0 is in this part. So can you see here? X minus 1, this is given x is greater than or equal to 0. So you are going to use this one. So this x minus 1 for the 0. So for x is equal to 0, use f of x is x minus 1. So you are going to use this. So what will you do? In this one, in place of x, you are going to put 0. This is x, you are going to put 0, and this is minus 1. So 0 minus 1, that is going to be minus 1. Then what is the third one? That is 1. So where is 1 over here? 1 also here in this one, because this says x is greater than or equal to 0. So greater than means, greater than 0 means 1 comes over here. So now what are you going to do? You are going to x is equal. You are going to use the function, this one, that is x minus f of x is x minus 1 to obtain. So now in place of this x, you are going to put here 1. This is also 1 and this is minus 1. So here 1 minus 1, that is 0. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.